What's up, guys? Tim Layton here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for coming. It means a lot. So today is part 4 of making money during stock market corrections. So if you haven't seen my last video or my last 3 videos, I suggest you check them out. I will try and link it up here or here, wherever they go. I don't know. I don't even know how to do it. But I'll figure it out. I'll put the links up there somewhere. The reason why I suggest you check them out is because we are going to be going over the gains that I've been making, see what they're up to, as well as what's my next move with these options. So to give you a little context, I suggest you check out the other videos. And one more thing, I always forget to do this, but I'm trying to get better. Please subscribe, like, and also comment anything you like, anything I can do better, and what you'd like to see from me, because I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm trying to grow my channel. With that all said, let's get right into it. Alright guys, I got 2 things for you before we get into my portfolio. I'm sorry to hold you back. I know. I got 2 things I gotta say. First, I am a liar. I'm a dirty, filthy liar, and I'm sorry. Yesterday, if you watched my video, and if you haven't, go watch it. You gotta. You would know that I said I was not selling any of my position in those options. But I had a revelation right after I posted that video. I can't teach you guys my strategy and also not follow my strategy. It doesn't work. My strategy is to dollar cost average out once you hit 100% profit. At 100% profit, pull out your initial investment and let the profits ride. That way you can't lose money. No matter what happens, if the stock market crashes to 0, you get your initial money back. That's my strategy, and I couldn't let my profits ride. Even though I wanted to, because it would have been cool to see what would have happened, I couldn't do that because it's not my strategy. And I got to show you guys my strategy. Anyways, so that's the first thing. Second thing is that the CPI results did come out this morning. CPI is a fancy term for inflation, Consumer Price Index. It came out at 7% on the dot. If you guys remember from my video yesterday, I said it was widely accepted that inflation was going to be over 7%. So with it being right at 7%, it wasn't bad, but it also wasn't good. It was just meh. And because it was meh, it made the stock market meh today. Stock market didn't skyrocket. It didn't crash. It's just kind of been hovering, chilling. So with that being said, let's get right into my portfolio. So at this very moment, I'm sitting at $56,000. If you will remember, 2 days ago, I think part 2 of my videos, my little playlist, I was at 36 grand. And at the peak today, for a very brief moment of time, I hit 60 grand, which means I was getting close to doubling my entire portfolio with $10,000 of SPY calls. That's insane. 60 grand for me was a huge milestone. To be honest, 50 grand was a huge milestone. I flew past that to 60 and I've been a happy camper today, I'll tell you that much. So as of right now, I did sell half of my position, got back my initial investment. I have $9,633 in buying power, and that's just sitting there until the market kind of figures out where it wants to go. So right now, my SPY calls are sitting at 222. So if it takes off up the rest of the day, I won't do anything. I won't buy back in. I'll just let my profits right here, 13 grand. That's all profit. I'll just let that ride out, see where it can go. But if it does tank below 192, which is where I sold my 50 contracts at, if it drops below that, I will probably buy back in. One thing I will say though is that Friday I think is going to be my last day with these options. Because at Friday, it will be 2 weeks until expiration. My expiration date right here, January 28th, which makes Friday 2 weeks out. The last 2 weeks, theta decay, also known as time decay, time value, is really going to start eating away at these options that are still $7 out of the money. So Friday will probably be my last day with these options. If the stock market is to tank in the next 2 days, I will probably sell out of these options and buy back into options that are at least another week, maybe 2 weeks out. So if I check this real quick, January 28th, 1 week, February 4th, 2 weeks, February 11th. I'll probably buy one of those two, probably same calls, 478s, and that'll give me a little more time, a little less time decay for these options to mature. But I mean, really, that's it. So I'm not really doing anything else, honestly. I wish I was. I wish there was more stuff going on. I'm just still hyped that I was able to make, as of right now, 36 to 56, $30,000 in the last 2 days, 3 days. Oh. Huh. And which is still, I don't know, $13,000 in profits, which is huge. So like I said, though, that's pretty much it. That's all my portfolio is doing. That's all it's going to be doing. It's going to be doing nothing except holding unless it dips below 192, in which case I'll probably spend most, if not all, of this buying power on more options. All right, so I think that's going to do it. All right, guys. Well, that really is all I have today. Thanks for watching. Sorry today was kind of boring. Didn't do any trading, didn't do anything. You just saw my portfolio. Hopefully we'll be doing more tomorrow and or Friday. Thanks for watching. We're out of here.